Good afternoon. I just wanted to welcome you all to Professional Practice Experience. I appreciate your patience as I have been trying to upload the projects for those of you that are working in a group. For those of you that are doing CPT or working with your employer, I appreciate your patience as well as I've had to um, publish the course has taken me a couple of days, but I believe everything should be published now. So what I wanted to do is just get on here and kind of um, navigate through the course, excuse me, and explain a few things. So let me go ahead and start at the top here. So as you can see, there's a welcome to the course with the course overview, a little bit about myself. My name is Nicole Wheeler. For those of you who have not had me as an instructor, you can read a little bit about my background, of who I am, um, and as well as my contact information. If for some reason you need to schedule an appointment with me, you can do that through Starfish. I take face-to-face appointments as well as Zoom, so whichever is more convenient for you, you can schedule those appointments with me. Um, Now, some of this information that is on the course may not apply to you, so that's what I wanted to just kind of go into. There is an instructional packet, and I know a couple of you have reached out to me and had some questions about that. It's just I don't want anybody to be left wondering if something that is in the instructional packet is applicable to you. So if you come across anything that you are wondering about, please don't hesitate to reach out. A lot of the information is for anybody that would be at a clinical site or working with their employer um, that would be more geared towards them. So for those of you that are working in group projects, you're not going to have to go out and have a physical done or be up to date on your immunizations, things like that. So don't worry about that. But what everyone is going to have to do, so everybody, whether you're doing CPT, working with your employer, or working on a group project, it is required that everybody, let me scroll down here to the bottom, um, everybody will need to complete this confidentiality statement. So it's very important that you do complete this. So just click on the confidentiality statement, thoroughly read it, um, and you'll have to fill in your name here. So complete your name, read the statement, sign it, and date it. So you may have to print this off and then sign it and date it. And then you'll actually upload it right into Canvas under the confidentiality statement submission. That is a required assignment from everybody. I do need confidentiality statements from every student in this course, whether you're doing CPT, a project through your employer, or a group project. Everybody must complete that. So if you have questions about that, please let me know. Otherwise, moving forward, going up here to the activity log, I do not have due dates on those because I feel like there are going to be some weeks where you're going to be doing a little bit more work than another week. So those are just kind of to keep you on track. So if for some reason week one you only spent a couple of hours researching a topic for your project or for your CPT, then just really type in or write down what you did for that week and how many hours you spent on it. Um, it's for you to stay on track and to make sure that you're completing what you're doing. Do I want you to upload this to me? Yes, I do. But if you wait until week 8 to give me all of your activity logs, that's fine. You do not have to submit those every week. If you want to, if you're one of those people that likes to stay on track and submit everything every week, that's fine too. So it's completely up to you. But that's why I did not put in any due dates. Just make sure that you submit something to me before the end of the course. Project assigned by site. So if you are completing CPT and you're doing a project that will pertain to you, you will also do a final reflection paper. I have two separate ones. So final reflection paper for those of you that are doing CPT, you'll complete complete that. And then for those of you that are doing a final project assigned by me, then you'll complete that. So you won't have to do both. You'll do one or the other. Okay. And then for those of you that are doing a project, this is not required for those of you that are doing the project. This evaluation, that is only for those of you that are on site. And then I have 3 groups of students that have been assigned a project, and you should have received an email from me if you are in a group. So depending on what group you're in, you're going to go ahead and look at your group projects. So group 1, group 2, and group 3, you have been assigned a project. So as the weeks go on, I may give you a little bit more information to help you, but what this is, it is research-based. You are to work within your group. Whether I know logistics sometimes is it can be tricky, and you may need to schedule Zoom meetings with your group. So depending on where you're located, because that's what we do when we're working. We can't always be at the same place at the same time, so we have to, work together as a team to make sure that we can schedule meetings through Zoom. And so that may be what you have to do. Project management, you're going to have to use your project management skills. What you're doing is you're taking everything that you've learned throughout this program, all of the skills, all of the assets, and you're going to correlate, put them into this project that you're doing. So you're going to pull all your tools that you've learned and put them into this project that you've been assigned to. So there's a lot of creativity that's going to go into this. I'm here to help you. I'm here to guide you. I'm here to answer questions. I'm also here to give you resources as well. So I start you off with the project. I give you a little bit of information and resources. And then every couple of weeks, I may give you a little bit more information to help you. Obviously, you are able to reach out to me if you have questions along the way. I'm here. If you're confused about something, please do not hesitate to ask. That's what I'm here for. I will do my best to do weekly updates. If a week gets away from me and it's every other week, I will do my best to post bi-weekly videos as well. So if a week goes by, do not fear. I will post a video as quickly as I can. So but I just want to get in here and welcome everybody to PPE. I am very excited to work with each and every one of you, and reach out if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will talk to you all soon. Thanks, and have a great day.